Here I've got the M201 dynamic microphone from Beyerdynamic. Just going to do a little bit of an unboxing for you. Haven't opened this yet, but I'm very excited to get to using this microphone. Looks like we've got some tape here to get through. I'm going to try and use my little Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. Make sure I'm doing this the right way. Okay, it's got some flaps on the side. Well, that's nice. Yeah. So we've got a nice little traveling case here that feels really good. Let's go ahead and go through the rest of this box here. It's got an M series guide, so a little pamphlet. If you want to read about the microphone, you could definitely be doing that. Another little pamphlet about the M series of microphones. It says technical specifications. So you get a lot of reading material. This is neat. Okay, so this appears to be a frequency chart. It's like a read off of the frequencies that my microphone has been tested to respond to. So that's pretty great. This microphone is the M201. It's got the serial number on there. It says the sensitivity is -58 dB. Equivalent to 1.3 MV. I'm not a technical person. I wouldn't be able to tell you what that is at the moment. That seems to be a sign of quality work. So we've got another test as well. Same microphone. So they ran a couple of tests on there. Free field response. Yep. It's at 1 meter each of them. I'm just trying to see if there's something different on each of these. So I guess they did a couple of different tests just to make sure. That's neat. So you get that as the box. Time to open up the good stuff. It's a nice soft case. Got a soft but rigid feel. I can't really bend it. This is not one of those videos. We're not looking to break this thing, but to go ahead and open up our zipper pouch here. It's got 2 zippers on it. Open it up, and that is a nice presentation there. So here we have, wow, that feels really weighty. So it looks more like a small diaphragm condenser microphone. But again, this is the M201. It says made in Germany. Beyerdynamic. It's got a little QR code sticker there. Be neat. It's probably a video or something, but yeah. So I'm quite familiar with like the Shure SM81. It's a very similar looking microphone. The Shure SM81 is silver. This one feels a little bit more chunky, more weighted for sure. And what I've read is this microphone will be great on electric guitar amps. It is a dynamic mic, so we don't need phantom power. And it comes with a little mic clip. Oh, that makes me nervous. Let's see. That is a tight squeeze, so that is not going anywhere for sure. It's a good feeling. Nice mic clip there. It's got the small threaded adapter. Those are always good to have. Great, can't wait to test this out. Again, this is the M201. You get the nice little traveling case, get some technical specifications, and the box.